Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to import reviews from Aliexpress to your Shopify store using a free app called Judge.me. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, click on Apps, then click on Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Judge.me and press Enter. From the results, find the app called Judge.me Ali Reviews Importer. Make sure it's the one that's free to use. Click on it, then click the green Install button. Once the installation is complete, the app will ask you to give some permissions. Just follow the prompts and complete the setup. It may ask you a few questions like your store name and email address. Fill in the details and move forward. Now the app is installed. You'll be taken to the Judge.me dashboard. On the left side of the dashboard, click on Imported Reviews, then click on Import Reviews. This will take you to the section where you can import reviews directly from Aliexpress. Here, you'll see a field where you can paste the Shopify product name, the Aliexpress product URL, and the number of reviews you want to import. Go to Aliexpress in a new browser tab. Find the product you want to import reviews from and copy its URL. Then come back to the Judge.me app and paste the URL in the box. Next, you'll need to select the product in your Shopify store where these reviews should be added. You can use the drop-down to find the matching product. Below that, you can choose how many reviews you want to import. When everything looks good, click on the Import Reviews button. The app will take a few seconds to complete the process. Once it's done, the reviews will be added to the product page on your store. You can now go to your product page and scroll down to see the imported reviews. That's how you import reviews from Aliexpress to Shopify using the Judge.me app. Thanks for watching.